Welcome back to Easy Coding for Beginners. As always, my name is Samuel and I'm glad that you've joined us in this new episode. Now, in this particular episode, we are going to talk about the body tag. Remember, we talked about these when we defined elements in the head tag, and we said we're going to see practically how most of the elements defined in the head tag are going to be applied in the body tag. So this is it. We're going to focus on the body tag and all other tags that are written within the body tag. So open your My First HTML project.html in your Sublime editor. Within the body tag, remember we defined the tags that are to happen. So within the body tag, type H1, which is header 1. Open the header 1 tag. Within the header 1 tag, type My First HTML project. Then close the header tag, the header 1 tag. Remember, we are dealing with the H1 tag. And now style tag, remember we just defined styling for the H1 tag. Now, once you've closed the head 1 tag, I want you to go down and type P. Open the P tag, that is less than sign P. Then within it, say this is easy coding for beginners. So just type this is easy coding for beginners. Then the next thing is close the P tag by doing the less than sign /P. So save My First HTML project.html and go to your browser, which is on the right screen, as you can see on my screen. Access it, or rather you can view whatever it is that you've typed by going to HTTP localhost, the same way we did in the previous tutorial. And you should be able to see the header tag. So if you go back to the style tag tutorial, you will realize that we gave the header tag a red color and the P tag we gave it blue color. So in this particular tutorial, when you refresh or just access that link where your My First HTML project.html is hosted, you should be able to see that the head tag, the H1 tag, which is My First project, should be in red, and the P tag, which is the paragraph tag, should be in blue. So with that, at least we've known basically how the styles have been applied in these. Now the body tag, now let's get to the explanation. That is the practical part. Now let's get to the explanation of what the body tag is. So as you've seen in the practicals, the body tag is used to indicate the main content section in your HTML document. Using the construction analogy, you remember when we talked about the HTML tag, you can find it in this particular link. In the HTML tag, we said when you bought land, the whole area where you bought is compared to the HTML tag. Now when it comes to the body tag just defines where you're going to build the house. Remember, you're not going to build the house in the entire section. You're going to specify a specific section you're going to build the house, then leave the rest maybe to a play yard or just maybe, some yard where you're going to rest or anything. So where you're going to build, that is now defined by the body tag when it comes to the HTML document. So I hope you've understood the comparison, and this is where all the action is going to take place. So I hope you've understood how the body tag works, and remember, every other tag that we are going to deal with will actually be written within the body tag. So if you have any questions with regards to the body tag, kindly remember there is a comment section here. You can always comment and give us and send all your questions. You can also find us on all our social media accounts: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. The links are down there, so you're able to see them to actually connect with us. So until next time, kudos.